Hello and welcome into another video. I will be showing you how to upload videos on YouTube. Let's get on. So, you must first make a YouTube account. I'm on my friends, we record videos. Not all of these are uploaded. And I'll teach you how to upload and do the stuff later in this video. So first, you're going to want to click Create. Then, you are going to want to click Upload Videos. From here, you will want to click Select Files. And then you're going to want to click the video that you previously recorded. You're going to want to double click that. And so, let's just say, draw a lighter. Draw a lighter. And then, yada, 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 yada. Yada, yada, do. Then you can hashtag it with whatever you want. I'm actually going to upload this. It's just going to be like a mini video. You're going to do hashtag, or it doesn't really matter which hashtag you do. If you want like people to come on your video from a hashtag, then it's your choice. So what you want to do is, I'm just going to do hashtag draw. Hashtag draw. You can do upload a file for a picture, auto-generate one, or test and compare. I'm going to do auto-generate. Actually, no. We won't do one. We won't do one for this video. You can put it for yes, it's made for kids, or no. I just put it for no, because it won't let you comment on the videos if you do it the other way. Age restriction. No, I don't restrict my video to viewers over 18 only. Don't click that unless you want a paid promotion. There's nothing in it that shows that. Basically, it's in... What would it be in? It would be in... style, I guess. I don't know. For an end screen, if you have a video, you gotta put the subtitles in, which will, like, you probably already know what subtitles are, but if you don't, it's like words that you're saying in the video. An end screen just puts videos at the end. You can customize it however you'd like. And then you can promote, like, things, like, let's say I want to put a video in, like, the top right corner. You can do that, but we're not doing it for this one. This is just, like, a quick tutorial. So, checks. It says, we'll check your video for issues that may restrict its visibility, and then you will have the opportunity to fix the issues before publishing your video. This basically, if you have any music or copyrighted content in your video, they'll hit you with a copyright strike, but it won't really do anything unless it's like that big. So just try not to do it that much. So visibility. So you can put it to private, and then you can share it privately with people, unlisted. Anyone with the video link can watch the video, but it's not going to be on YouTube unless you have the link. And then public. Public means that everyone can watch the video. Now, an instant premiere. If you set it to an instant premiere, it's going to show a countdown. And then when the countdown's over, it's going to show your video. Only do that for like a really big video if you have one, but it doesn't really matter. Who am I to say? Schedule a video. You can set when you want it, how you want it, and then set as a premiere, yada yada. And then after that, you just click publish. Now you just wait for it to upload. And while it's uploading, you can add things to it. Like, let's say I want, after the yada yada, to, in the YouTube tutorial, you can just add anything you want. Now, if you want to learn how to do the end screen, just click on the end screen. You can have one video of yours, one playlist of yours, and a button that you click to subscribe. You can just have 2 videos. You can have 2 videos. You can have 1 video and 1 button that says subscribe. And the same for these. So these, they put them in different spots, but you can change it however you want. Like, let's do this one. From here, you can move it wherever you'd like. Like, let's say I want it right here. Then, best video for viewer. Yeah, I say. We'll just put that right there. You can add things you want. Like anything you would want. Like, you could put a channel. I'm going to put my channel. horror_more 1 2 3. Put my channel. Sub to me. There. Missing custom image. Still says this. Then I don't know. Subscribe to me, please. I don't know. I've never done this. So you'd have to find another video to do that. We're just gonna do this. I don't need credit. But there is something else you can do that I know. You can put a channel, and then you can do more 1 2 3. And there's my channel. And then subscribe to me if you are a croissant. I don't know my spelling that well. Who helped make this video? Cannot be longer than 30 characters. Okay. Alright. And then from there, you just wait until the video is uploaded. Playlists can vary. You can make a playlist or whatever. So, that's going to wrap it up for this video. What I forgot to save. Alright. So that's going to wrap it up for this video. Do consider to like and subscribe. We will make more videos. I will help you and my friend / cousin make some more videos, do some tutorials. That would be fun. Subscribe to my cousin. His username is Hockey Karate VR. Probably where you're finding this video. My username is horror_more123, no spaces, capital H. Make sure to like and subscribe. Share this video out to some people. Comment what I should do next. If you want to remix this video, you most likely can, if it says you're allowed to. I don't really care, but yeah. All I want to say is have a nice day. That rhymed. And I will catch you in the next one. Peace.